Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Well, today's video is a Valentine's Cupid swap hosted by Rachel Tolman, and I will have her linked below as well as the other lovely ladies. But let's dig into this box and see what she sent me. So I'm gonna pull everything out and take pictures, then we will open everything up. So I'm so excited, you guys. I hope you are too. Okay. Guys, I am so excited to get into this. I have my little mat here just so my camera is just with white, it just doesn't work. So we're gonna use the green mat. My blue one's taken. It has a bunch of stuff on it. So let's go ahead and get into this. I can't wait. Okay, so here's this. She made one of Kayla's purses, a messenger bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Okay, you guys, here it is. Isn't it cute? I love the color. It's all pink, and I love how she put it together. The side did come off, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue that right now. My hot glue gun is on, and so let's go ahead and just add a little piece there and glue it down. Okay, all set. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Look at this beauty. She even did some stitching, which I absolutely love, Rachel. This is so cute. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. So here it is. What is in here? Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh, yes, girl. Oh my goodness. I love fabric. Thank you for this. I am going to get into journaling as well. Well, that will be for my TikTok. If you guys are on TikTok, please follow me. I will be linked below. Definitely will be doing some journaling. They love journaling on TikTok, and so I can get into that there. Look at these. These are beautiful fabrics, and from Canada. She's from Canada. So it is my first swap with her. I'm so glad I was able to swap with her. And yeah, look at that, you guys. I love it. Let's go ahead and get into the next one. This, and it smells amazing. Let's see what's in here. I love this bag, by the way. It's so beautiful. It's like a very high quality bag, which I love. Oh my goodness, what is this? Ooh, a bath bomb, and it smells really good. Cozy sweater, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's bath bomb and with organic hemp oil and shea butter. Oh my goodness, I gotta try this. Blush Organics. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be amazing, I bet. And it's gonna make me smell so amazing. Amazing. Okay, so thank you for that. Next is, oh my goodness. Okay, is this right here? And she did tie it up with some twine, and I love pink twine. Gonna save that. And she included a memory decks. That was one of our lists. She says she didn't number, which I didn't either, so we are 20 in there. And she sent 2 memory dexes. I only sent 1. These are so pretty too. I hope you put your information on the back, Rachel, because I do love occasionally sending people stuff from memory dex cards. And I believe that, nope. Oh my goodness, Rachel, I need your information here. So her information isn't there, but just take a look at that. I love how she did that. I love the colors. What is this collection? I don't recognize it. But then again, I'm not, you know me, I'm only all Maggie Holmes stuff. But this is so pretty. I love the dog. Look how pretty this is. I love it. Thank you so much, Rachel. Okay, pocket letter, you guys. This is the one thing that I did not include because I struggle with pocket letters. You have no idea. The last pocket letter I made, it was a struggle. It took me quite a while to finish. So look at this beauty. I love it. I love the collection again that she used. It's very springy with some hearts. So pretty. I love how she put everything together. Love it. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. I hope my camera's picking this up. It's so icky with vinyls like this. But look at that. So pretty. I love her sequence too. So pretty. And then she included this tassel as well. I love it, Rachel. So pretty. So, and then it came with this right here. I'm just going to add it right real quick so we can get on with the video. And yeah, my phone also acts up whenever the video is way too long, so I gotta hurry. Okay, let's see what's in here. I always love these because you can add these to journals. I love these envelopes. Let's see what she sent. And oh, these are just little shaker cards, which I love. These are perfect for like scrapbooking, for October dailies, December dailies. You can make it Christmas, and journaling as well. Love it. Look how pretty that is. And she stitched, you guys. She didn't use the heat tool, and she stitched it all. That takes a lot of time. And I appreciate this, Rachel. I appreciate all the stitching you did. These are beautiful. I love them. Okay, next is this right here. And it is bag toppers. Okay, so look at these bag toppers. These are definitely going to be used, and they can be used this summer as well, because they can pass for summer bag toppers. Look how pretty that is. I love it. Look how cute she did it. So cute. Ice cream man. You hear the ice cream man? Thank you so much, Rachel. I love it. Okay, let's put that there because I don't want to get mixed up. And this is on the list. I sent her one. She sent me two. Rachel, I hope you love what I sent you. I definitely so far love what you've sent, and these tassels are amazing. Look at these tassels, you guys. I need to try this. I need to try a dangle on the side with some string tassel. I love this. I love how she did that. That's genius right there. I haven't seen that. I love this. Oh, look at, she put my name there. I don't think this is supposed to be there, no. But look at that. This is my favorite. It says yay right there. I love the beads she used, and I love that she made it personal with my name on it. I love this. I'm definitely going to put it on one of my journals that I make, because I will be making one hopefully very soon, if not this summer. Love that. Okay, next is this envelope, and I love this right here, the variety of people. I love it. Isn't that cool? That is so amazing right there. It makes me think of that song, We Are the World, Michael Jackson. You will forever be my always. Okay, let's see what's in here. She sent some Starbursts, and she also sent some for doilies for bag toppers, which I could definitely use. And also these Starbursts too. I barely got the die for the Starburst. So, yeah, Starburst was going around town, and I did not have it. I barely got it last year, a few months ago. So love that. And then she sent some bag toppers, which I absolutely love this right here. This is so amazing. I love the variety of peoples. Love it. Okay, next is this cutie. I love this little coffee cup. It's so cute, and it just says double chocolate cocoa mix. Okay, let's see here. And it's a cocoa mix, you guys. She said a cocoa mix. So we're supposed to set a cocoa mix or a tea, but I love how she did this. This is so thoughtful. This is so thoughtful right here. So mine wasn't as thoughtful. I love this. Thank you, girl. Okay, next is a wand, and I love this wand. Look how cute that is. Such a cute wand. I need to know what collection this is. This is a very light pastel color collection. So, such a cute wand. Thank you, Rachel. And next, we are going fast, you guys. This is gonna mess up my camera, but she sent this, so let's go ahead and dig into that. Oh, these are doilies, so she sent me some doilies. Thank you, girl. I need to use up some doilies. And then she sent this, so I'm gonna open this real fast. Oh my goodness. Okay, she sent Dear Lizzie, and I love these. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna use these for flags. And I love these too. These are little resin roses, which I absolutely love. You could just attach that to something on the back of anything. So cute. Thank you, girl. And next is this right here, a reflective bag. And it's my tag, you guys. It is my tag. Let's see what she sent. I love making paper tassels now. I just barely got into it and I love it. So here's her tag. Look how pretty this tag is. I love the colors still, and of course gold is always what I love. It is the business. I love gold. So it says be mine. I love this collection. So cute. Look at that. Ooh, I love this Volkswagen. Such a cute tag. Oopsie, something came off. Where'd that go? I don't know where that went. I'm gonna put it right there because I have no idea where it went. So I'm gonna put it back because I don't want to lose this, and then that way I can hang it with all my tags that I have. Thank you, Rachel. And then of course she sent a letter right here, so I will read that. Oh, we are very healthy, Rachel. Everything is going so great so far, and yeah, my family is doing well, and I hope you are too. Okay, she sent an embellishment box. We're supposed to send embellishment box, and I love what she did. Look at this. Oh, and she put bubble wrap. I love how she did that. So she did send some beads, and I love these. These are my favorite right here. I don't have a lot of these, so thank you for sending me these. And then she sent some of these, which I love too. I'm hoarding the ones that I have. I did have winnings from Bona, and she sent me some of these, so I am hoarding these. And I just don't like to use them. I like just to keep them and look at them. Funny. I think it's because, you know, growing up, we used to put these on our backpacks and just keep them, and so I think that's where that comes from. She sent some seashells, and oh, she sent some, oh yes, girl, I love these. She sent some of these. I love these. These are amazing. Oh, no, you did not. No, you did not. I'm so glad I didn't miss this. You guys, it's a bee. And I love bees. It says love, see? Oh no, I think this is connected. Okay, it's got connected. But I love this. It's a bee. This is my favorite. This is my absolute favorite. She also sent this one right here. So cute. Oh, this one's cute too right here. This one is a very, look how bright that is. I love it. I love hints of bright in projects lately, so thank you for that. Some hearts right here, and some of these. Oh, these are great to put on beads, you guys. I love flower sequins for beads. Thank you for those. And then she sent, I believe these are, yep, these are beads. So she sent some plastic beads, and these are very colorful. Thank you so much, Rachel. I appreciate this so much. Love it. Okay, next is this one. We are almost done, guys. Hershey Hershey's Kisses. Thank you so much. I will have one. This, oh, you guys. Thank you for this, Rachel. I love that you sent me this because US, they always put bad ingredients in it, and the only thing I see that's bad here, which isn't that bad, but the soy, you should see ours is so bad. So thank you. I appreciate Canadian Hershey's Kisses, so because it's so cleaner than ours. So thank you for these. My kids are gonna appreciate that. Okay, look at this, you guys. She put a cute rosette on the top, and it says good. And let's dig in. I did it. What is this? This is magnets, and she sent, look at the assorted magnets that she sent. Thank you so much, because I do have my refrigerator full of magnets, and not only can I use that on my refrigerator, but I can use it on my cart. So I could put these on my cart or my refrigerator. But look at these. I'm not going to take them out. They're all glued, but so pretty. I love them. I love the sayings as well. You guys could see those. There's that one right there. Rachel, thank you so much for all of this. Thank you for including me. I always look forward to this swap. It's such a fun swap. I had so much fun making everything. It did take me a while to get to my projects, like to get to starting each project. I would just sit there staring. But once I was able to get going, it was so much fun. Thank you so much, Rachel. You guys check Rachel out. She has a Patreon and a Instagram and a TikTok, you guys. I am friends with her on TikTok. This came off, so I'm not sure what was on it. I go check her out. She's so creative with her TikToks and funny as well. So check us out on TikTok, on Instagram, and check out all of the lovely ladies that participated. Very talented, lovely ladies. I love each and every one's work. They're amazing and very talented. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.